Let's meet our four raptors. Una, si Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Lakas, come here na, boy. There you go. Once again, folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Haliaeetus locogaster. Loco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na si Lakas, folks. Okay, now, i-meet na natin ang ating second raptor, ang cute na cute na si Jack Jack, our brown mini kite. Si Jack Jack, folks. Now, Jack Jack. Yeah. There you go. Once again, folks, that is Jack Jack, our brown mini kite. Or also known as the Balut. Now, brown mini kites are the birds of prey or raptor. Raptor came from Latin word rapire, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, mga kuya natin are wearing protective gloves because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. The raptors, guys, practice kleptoparasitism. Kleptoparasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. Sinumuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Now, folks, ibigin na natin ang ating third raptor na si Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. Folks, we will show you how they hangkok. Kuya Gucci, dito is merong toy lizard. Now, Pagaspas. Ayan ang toy lizard mo, boy. Alright, now, Pagaspas. Hindi na, boy. Okay, tayo lang muna natin si Pagaspas mo sa and now, guys, once they are in flight, they will lock on and dive bomb their target, talons first. They are smart enough to identify which prey are venomous and non-venomous and will adjust their attacks based on their targets. Now, guys, Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Ayan, previewing mo na kay Pagaspas. Okay, gusto mo picture? Video, pwede po. Alright, now okay na Kuya Gucci. Okay, bibigyan na natin ang ating last raptor na si Pau Pau. Our grass owl.
Yeah, get a Pau Pau. It's set.
That is Pau Pau, folks. Our grass owl. Okay, come here na, boy. Ayan na, folks. Itilihin lang natin ko si Pau Pau, guys, ha? Alright, medyo mahihayin kasi ko si Pau Pau, folks. Come here na, boy. Once again, folks, we are still working with wild animals. As much as when they train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Okay, ayan, labitan na ni Kuya Syre. Okay, Pau Pau, come here na, boy. Wait lang talaga natin, folks, ha? Ayan na si Pau Pau natin. Alright, medyo nahihiya si Pau Pau ngayong hapon, folks. Oh, Pau Pau, come here na, boy. Ala. Okay, Pau Pau. Hindi na. Okay, okay, hintayin lang talaga natin si Pau Pau, folks. Okay. Alright, ang Pau Pau. Ayan na talaga. Uy, kumain pa. Ayan na. Unat na si Pau Pau, guys. Ayan na. Onting tiis na lang, Pau Pau. Namunat na. Now, folks. Grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they're able to turn their head 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when in flight. Di po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga papak kapag siya ay lumilipad po. Now, folks, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahmini kite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. And that's all for our raptors, folks. Palakpakan po natin sila.